Hello, okay, today we're going to learn about the course file structure. So we talked a little bit on the first day about how all web pages are just files, and you can learn more about that in some of these readings. But you should at this point already have your CyberDuck connection set up, and when you click into it, it'll load here. Now, everything for this class is going to be located in public_HTML. So your first order of business anytime you get in here is to open up public_HTML, and that's where everything for your website will live. So never put anything in here, only in here. And this might be a little confusing, but whatever web page is saved as index.html in this public HTML folder is what your website will look like. So whatever code you have saved to index.html is what it's going to look like when you go to yourdomain.com. And then every other web page is going to be located within folders in here, and you will tell the computer how to find those files. One example is the link, quote unquote, to this page here is yoursite.com/webdev, because it's in the webdev folder, /project1/project1.html. This is what I'm talking about, how you need to have this set up as columns so that you can see the file structure and flow. Literally, links are just file paths. So it's at the same time more complicated and simpler than it seems. So the main objective for this video is to download this file structure onto your flash drive. So within my drive, I made an NMIX 4010 folder. I recommend you do the same and put this whole folder in there as a zip file. And when you unzip it, you will have all of the files for this class. Okay, at this point, you're actually going to drag this whole WebDev folder into public HTML. And make sure that you kind of drag and pull it over into this open space. Don't try to drag it into the lines or anything, because then it might go into one of these folders. And make sure that I have an index.html here. Again, that is going to be your home page. So what I'm actually going to do is go here, copy, go back, and paste. And now I have a home page that I can edit within the root directory or your portfolio homepage. I'm going to walk through one round of adding content to that home page. We're going to open Visual Studio Code. And what is great about this is you can do File, Open Folder, and navigate to your flash drive, click on the WebDev folder, and open the entire thing. You can trust and trust. You can go in and edit this. So this is going to be at yourdomain.com/webdev, again, because it's going to be within this webdev folder. And I'm actually going to just start typing HTML. And anything that is going to show is going to be between these two body tags here. And I'm going to type, I'm an instructor at the New Media Institute.
Also, I own a business called PlayerJoe.co. I love niche side character Halloween costumes.
All right, and then I'm going to save that. Now, at this point, this file is only on my local computer. You never want to edit directly from CyberDuck. It is only here. And you can actually preview it by highlighting it and pressing spacebar. And you'll see my text is there. Now, in order to upload it to the internet, because currently my domain just says this, nothing, I need to go into this WebDev folder and drag this index over and override what's in there. And then check it out at claire4010.com/webdev. So go ahead and go through some of these instructions and try it on your own. It's okay, again, if you can't get it the first time, if you run into issues, ask your classmates, and you can reach out to me if you have issues with anything logistical with Reclaim or CyberDuck. But that is your first web page on the internet that you hand coded.